Welcome to the Gladiator Challenge, where strength, strategy, and teamwork collide in an action-packed team-building experience. Get ready to push your limits and battle for victory in this high-energy challenge. Gear up and form teams, divide into teams, and step into the arena. Each challenge will test your agility, problem-solving, and resilience, requiring complete team coordination to succeed. Overcome tactical challenges, navigate through a series of gladiator-inspired tasks designed to test your speed, strength, and strategy. Whether it's obstacle courses, strength battles, or mind games, every challenge pushes you toward greatness. Compete, conquer, and dominate. Teams must adapt, strategize, and execute to outperform their rivals. The fastest, strongest, and most tactical team wins the ultimate gladiator title. Celebrate victory and learn together, win or lose. The Gladiator Challenge builds team spirit, leadership, and resilience, skills essential in both competition and the corporate world.